YOLO backpackers, this is Adichanda and you're watching Weekend Backpacker. And today we are going to Kuntala Waterfalls. You can see the view. We are on the way. We started at 3:30 a.m. in the morning and it's 6:30 now. I couldn't show you the scenes because there was no daylight, so I think now it's the proper time to show you. And we are just waiting for my friends to reach to this point. And he is Satya. So you gotta see the next scenes in a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Hey, I'm back. We just stopped here to click few pictures because the view is amazing. If you can see behind me, the roads are amazing, and I will just show you the view in front of me, just like this. I'll turn the camera and guys, check out the view, guys. It's really amazing, man. We are still on the way. It's just 50 kilometers from here. The waterfalls are behind these mountains, and yes, the view is amazing. Just check out the roads, man. How clean they are, how straight they are. Wow, such a beautiful place. Awesome.
It's been a month since I traveled. Was fed up with lots of work and wanted a weekend getaway for that refreshing air and beautiful sceneries. And the nearest we could find was Kuntala Waterfalls. Kuntala is located in Adilabad district. It is one of the highest waterfalls in Telangana, with a height of 147 feet. These waterfalls are originated from Kadem river, and it is one of the famous day outings from Hyderabad.
And guys, we just reached here. It took 4 hours to come here, and I just came here to check out the location.
After all that workload, when I saw this view, I felt like I could breathe again. And it was a mind-blowing experience. Trust me, I could literally hear the nature's music from here. The birds chirping, water flowing through heavy rocks, and the winds murmuring.
So after a small trek from the viewpoint, you need to climb down 400 steps from here to see the waterfalls of Kuntala. If you can listen to the voice, just hear the waterfall voice. The view is not that clear, but it will be okay. We have almost reached, and we have finally reached the waterfall view. I'll just show you from here, but this is not the exact point of view. Guys, check it out, man. I'm gonna do this jump now. Maybe.
When I moved closer and closer to the waterfall, my energy was pumping up, so I rushed as closer as possible.
This is Kuntala Waterfalls! See a slide! See a waterfall!
I couldn't stop myself to get wet in these waters. Finally, I had an amazing experience to share it with you. I hope you enjoy the same. Life is all about making memories. Make as many of them in your way. My way is to travel, meet new people, and eat food. So, what are you waiting for? Get busy in exploring your life.
So that was Kuntala Waterfalls. We had some awesome activities over there, and you see the height over there. We climbed to the top of there and clicked some snaps. I will sure share the pics with you guys. So if you want to come here, please come on the weekends, and do take care about yourself when you are doing stuff and activities. Please be safe.
Till then, I will be coming back with a new place next week. So stay tuned, subscribe to Weekend Backpacker, and adios.
So yeah, the coming so lately. Bro, you are very late. 200 क्या वाइब्रेट हो रहा वाले गाड़ी अब आगे बैठे फोन भी करा और 140 किलोमीटर से इसलिए बोल रहे तुम